a healing gift from nature introducing Chromolaena Odorata. This plant, with its delicate flowers and lush green leaves, is more than just a pretty sight. It's a powerhouse of natural healing. Chromolaena Odorata. It's a big name, right? Don't worry, you can also call it Siam weed or Christmas bush. These names hint at its widespread presence and its significance in various cultures. This amazing plant is like a gift from nature. It has the power to help our bodies heal. The leaves, in particular, are packed with compounds that can aid in recovery and wellness. Siam weed grows in many parts of the world. You might even find some growing near your home. It's a resilient plant, thriving in diverse environments from tropical regions to temperate zones. It has beautiful flowers, but the real magic is in its leaves. These leaves contain essential oils and bioactive compounds that have been used in traditional medicine for generations. For centuries, people have used these leaves as medicine. They knew that Siam weed could help with cuts, burns, and other problems. Traditional healers would crush the leaves to release their healing juices and apply them directly to wounds. Today, scientists are studying Siam weed to understand its healing powers better. They want to know how it can help us live healthier lives. Research is ongoing, but early findings suggest that the plant has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, making it a potential natural remedy for various ailments. The journey of Chromolaena Odorata from traditional medicine to modern science is a fascinating one. As researchers delve deeper, they uncover more about its potential benefits and how it can be integrated into contemporary healthcare practices. So the next time you come across this unassuming plant, remember its hidden strengths. Chromolaena Odorata is not just a weed, it's a testament to nature's incredible ability to heal and nurture. Centuries of healing. Traditional uses of Siam weed. Siam weed, also known as Chromolaena Odorata, has a long history of healing. This plant, often found in tropical and subtropical regions, has been a cornerstone in traditional medicine for centuries. For generations, people have used it as a natural remedy. The knowledge of its healing properties has been passed down from one generation to the next, ensuring that its benefits are not forgotten. In many cultures, it was the go-to treatment for all sorts of problems. From minor cuts to more serious ailments, Siam weed was trusted for its effectiveness. Think about a time you got a cut. You might have reached for a bandage or some antiseptic cream. But did you know that in some places people would use Siam weed leaves on their wounds? They would crush the leaves and apply them directly to the cut. The plant's natural antiseptic properties would help to clean the wound and promote faster healing. This method of using crushed leaves as a poultice was not only effective but also easily accessible. People didn't need to go to a pharmacy. They could find the remedy growing in their own backyard. Siam weed was also used for other things. Its versatility made it a valuable plant in traditional medicine. People would drink tea made from the leaves to help with stomach aches. The tea was known to soothe digestive issues and provide relief from discomfort. They even used it to reduce fevers. The plant's natural compounds helped to lower body temperature and alleviate the symptoms of fever. It's amazing how much knowledge about plants was passed down through generations. Elders would teach the younger members of the community about the various uses of Siam weed, ensuring that this valuable information was preserved. Today, we're rediscovering these ancient remedies and learning even more about their benefits. Modern science is beginning to validate what traditional healers have known for centuries, that Siam weed is a powerful and versatile plant with numerous health benefits. Nature's bandage Chromolaena Odorata for wound healing. Remember that cut we talked about? Well, Siam weed is like nature's bandage. It has special properties that help wounds heal faster. Scientists have found that Siam weed can speed up the healing process. It helps the body create new tissue to close up wounds. This means less scarring too. Some studies show that Siam weed might even be as effective as some modern medicines used for wound healing. That's pretty impressive for a plant, right? Fighting inflammation. How Siam weed helps reduce pain. Inflammation is your body's way of fighting off injury and infection, but sometimes inflammation can cause pain and discomfort. That's where Siam weed comes in. This powerful plant has anti-inflammatory properties. This means it can help reduce swelling and redness. Less inflammation means less pain. Think about a time you had a sore muscle or a sprained ankle. Siam weed could help reduce the inflammation and make it feel better. It's like a natural pain reliever. Section 5. A natural defender. Antimicrobial properties of Chromolaena odorata. Our world is full of tiny organisms called microbes. Most of them are harmless, but some can cause infections. That's where we need a strong defense system. Siam weed can help with that. It has antimicrobial properties, which means it can fight off harmful bacteria and fungi. It's like a natural shield protecting us from infections. This is especially important when it comes to wounds. Siam weed not only helps them heal faster, but also prevents infections from taking hold. Section 6. Skin Saver. Treating infections with Siam weed. Our skin is the largest organ in our body. It serves as a protective barrier, shielding us from harmful elements in our environment. However, this vital organ is not invincible. It protects us from the outside world, but it can also be vulnerable to infections. The skin's natural defenses can sometimes be breached, leading to various skin issues. Cuts, burns, and other skin irritations can become infected if not treated properly. Even minor injuries can escalate into serious problems if bacteria or fungi invade the compromised skin. Siam weed can be a great help here. This plant, known scientifically as Chromolaena odorata, has been recognized for its medicinal properties for generations. Its antimicrobial properties can help fight off skin infections. When applied to the skin, Siam weed can inhibit the growth of harmful microorganisms, preventing infections from taking hold. It can also reduce inflammation and promote healing. The plant's natural compounds work to soothe irritated skin, reduce swelling, and accelerate the healing process. People have used Siam weed for centuries to treat various skin conditions. Traditional medicine practitioners have long valued this plant for its versatility and effectiveness. It can be used to soothe eczema, reduce acne, and alleviate other common skin issues. The plant's anti-inflammatory properties make it particularly useful for managing chronic skin conditions and even help with fungal infections like athlete's foot. By applying Siam weed-based treatments, individuals can find relief from persistent fungal infections that are often resistant to conventional treatments. Preparing a Siam weed poultice is simple and can be done at home. By crushing the leaves and applying them directly to the affected area, you can harness the plant's healing properties. With regular use, Siam weed can help maintain healthy, glowing skin. Its natural benefits make it a valuable addition to any skincare routine. Section 7. Boosting your body's defenses, immunity and natural remedies. Our immune system is like our body's army. It fights off invaders like bacteria and viruses to keep us healthy. But just like any army, our immune system needs support. That's where natural remedies like Siam weed come in. While it's not a magic bullet, some studies suggest that Siam weed might have properties that could help boost our immune system. By supporting our body's natural defenses, we can improve our overall health and well-being. And Siam weed might just be one of nature's little helpers in this process. Section 8. Safety first, using Chromolaena odorata responsibly. Siam weed has many amazing benefits, but it's essential to use it responsibly. Just like any other herbal remedy, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before using it. They can advise you on the appropriate dosage and any potential interactions with other medications you might be taking. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Remember, natural doesn't always mean completely safe. It's crucial to use herbal remedies with caution and under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Section 9. Nature's Pharmacy, exploring herbal remedies with care. For centuries, people have relied on nature's pharmacy to find relief and healing. Plants like Siam weed offer a glimpse into the incredible power of nature to heal. As we rediscover these ancient remedies, it's essential to approach them with respect and caution. Always consult with healthcare professionals, use them responsibly, and continue to explore the fascinating world of natural healing with care and an open mind. A Gap 2S, Section 10. The environmental impact of Chromolaena odorata. Chromolaena odorata, or Siam weed, is a plant with a fascinating duality. On one hand, its rapid growth and hardiness make it a valuable resource for traditional medicine and natural healing. On the other hand, its invasive nature poses significant challenges to ecosystems around the world. Gap 2S, stock footage of thriving Chromolaena odorata in natural settings. Gap 2S. As an invasive species, Chromolaena odorata can outcompete native plants, leading to reduced biodiversity. This aggressive growth can disrupt local ecosystems, affecting not just plants, but also the animals and insects that depend on them. Gap 2S. Stock footage of affected ecosystems and struggling native plants. Gap 2S. However, Chromolaena odorata also plays a positive role in some environments. Its ability to grow in poor soil conditions can help prevent soil erosion and restore degraded lands. In some regions, it is even used to improve soil fertility and support sustainable agriculture. Gap 2S. Stock footage of soil erosion prevention and sustainable agriculture practices. Gap 2S. As we continue to explore the benefits of Chromolaena odorata, it's crucial to balance its use with environmental stewardship. By understanding both its positive and negative impacts, we can make informed decisions that benefit both human health and the health of our planet. Gap 2S. Stock footage of balanced ecosystems and responsible plant management. Gap 2S. Remember, nature's pharmacy offers incredible potential, but it also requires our respect and careful management. As we embrace the healing power of plants like Chromolaena odorata, let's do so with a commitment to preserving the delicate balance of our environment. Gap 2S. Stock footage of harmonious nature scenes and responsible environmental practices. Gap 2S. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the remarkable world of Chromolaena odorata. Stay curious, stay informed, and continue to explore the wonders of natural healing with an open heart and a mindful approach. Gap 2S. Stock footage of serene natural landscapes and closing visuals. Gap 2S. End of Section 10. Gap 2S. Section 11. The economic benefits of Chromolaena odorata. Chromolaena odorata, commonly known as Siam weed, is not just a plant of medicinal and environmental significance. Its economic potential is vast, spanning various industries and applications. Gap 2S. Stock footage of industrial applications and economic activities. Gap 2S. In the agricultural sector, Chromolaena odorata's ability to improve soil fertility can lead to increased crop yields, supporting farmers and boosting local economies. Gap 2S. Stock footage of thriving agricultural fields and farmers at work. Gap 2S. Beyond agriculture, the plant's fibers can be used in the production of textiles and paper, providing a sustainable alternative to traditional materials. This can create new job opportunities and promote eco-friendly industries. Gap 2S. Stock footage of textile production and paper manufacturing processes. Gap 2S. In the pharmaceutical and cosmetic industries, Chromolaena odorata's bioactive compounds are being researched for their potential in developing new drugs and skincare products. This not only enhances health and beauty, but also drives economic growth through innovation and product development. Gap 2S. Stock footage of laboratories and cosmetic product manufacturing. Gap 2S. Additionally, the essential oils extracted from Chromolaena odorata are used in aromatherapy and natural cleaning products, catering to the growing demand for holistic and eco-conscious living. Gap 2S. Stock footage of essential oil extraction and natural product use. Gap 2S. By harnessing the economic benefits of Chromolaena odorata, we can create a sustainable future that supports both people and the planet. The key lies in responsible cultivation and innovative applications that maximize its potential while minimizing its environmental impact. Gap 2S. Stock footage of balanced economic activities and sustainable practices. Gap 2S. As we continue to explore and innovate, let's remember that nature's gifts can drive prosperity when used wisely. Chromolaena odorata is a testament to the incredible opportunities that lie in the natural world, waiting to be discovered and utilized for the greater good. Gap 2S. Stock footage of successful industries and harmonious natural landscapes. Gap 2S. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the remarkable world of Chromolaena odorata. Stay curious, stay informed, and continue to explore the wonders of natural healing with an open heart and a mindful approach. Gap 2S. Stock footage of serene natural landscapes and closing visuals. Gap 2S. End of Section 11. Gap 2S. Section 12. Summary and call to action. Throughout this video, we've delved into the multifaceted world of Chromolaena odorata, also known as Siam weed. From its traditional uses to its modern applications in medicine, agriculture, and industry, this remarkable plant offers a wealth of benefits. Gap 2S. Stock footage of diverse applications and benefits. Gap 2S. We've explored how Chromolaena odorata can aid in wound healing, reduce pain, and combat infections with its potent antimicrobial properties. Its ability to boost immunity using natural remedies is a testament to its powerful bioactive compounds. GAP2S, stock footage of healing processes and healthy lifestyles. GAP2S. The plant's economic potential is vast, from enhancing soil fertility and supporting agriculture to providing sustainable materials for textiles and paper production. Its role in the pharmaceutical and cosmetic industries further underscores its value in driving innovation and economic growth. GAP2S, stock footage of thriving economies and sustainable practices. GAP2S. As we navigate the challenges of modern living, it's crucial to use Chromolaena Odorata responsibly, ensuring that we harness its benefits while preserving our environment. This balance is key to creating a sustainable future that supports both people and the planet. GAP2S, stock footage of balanced environmental and economic activities. GAP2S. Now, we invite you to take the next step. Dive deeper into the world of Chromolaena Odorata. Explore its uses, benefits, and potential applications in your life and community. Share your knowledge and join the movement towards a more sustainable and health-conscious world. GAP2S, stock footage of community engagement and educational activities. GAP2S, thank you for watching and joining us on this enlightening journey. Stay curious, stay informed, and continue to explore the wonders of natural healing with an open heart and a mindful approach. Together, we can unlock the full potential of Chromolaena Odorata and make a positive impact on our world. GAP2S, stock footage of motivated individuals and serene natural landscapes. GAP2S, end of section 12.